Hello, I'm Dazi, GIS Technical Account Manager at what3words. Today I'm going to show you how to add the what3words Locator in ArcGIS Desktop. You'll need your what3words API key to complete this tutorial. Let's start by opening Arc Catalog, and in the Catalog tree, expand to show GIS servers. In the pop-up menu, select Use GIS Services. Click Next. Copy the following URL in the server URL section. Use your email address as a username and enter your what3words API key in the password section. Click Finish. Once added, the locator can be used within the rest of ArcGIS suite to search for freeword addresses, discover the freeword address for a location, and batch geocode locations within ArcGIS Toolbox. And that's how you add the what3words Locator in ArcGIS Desktop. Thank you for watching.